If you're thinking about learning Spanish on your own, whether it's for travel, work, or just because you want to learn something fulfilling while also having fun, or for whatever other reason, learning a language like Spanish can open up a whole new world of connections and experiences. But if you're just starting out, it can feel a bit overwhelming. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be giving you some easy tips to get started, and I'll also get into some great tools like Pimsleur and Babbel that can make the process a lot easier. So if you're ready to start learning Spanish, stick around, because I'll be breaking down everything that you need to know in order to get started on your own. And if at any point you decide to give either Pimsleur or Babbel a try, you can check out the affiliate links in the description down below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get by going directly to their websites. And so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with setting some goals, because having a plan in place makes learning Spanish a lot more manageable. And in order to speak Spanish perfectly, you should think about what you want to get out of learning it. Are you learning the basics of how to talk to people before a trip? Or do you want to get used to having more in-depth conversations over time? Once you have that in mind, break it down into smaller steps. For example, try setting a goal to learn 10 new words every day, or focus on basic phrases that you'll actually use. These little goals are way easier to stick with, and they help you feel like you're making real progress without getting overwhelmed. Plus, over time, those small achievements really add up and give you the confidence to keep going. Just remember, you're building a foundation, so take it one step at a time and enjoy the process. Now, in terms of actually building a daily routine, it doesn't have to be anything big. I mean, even if you just spend 10 to 15 minutes a day, it can make a huge difference. The key here is consistency, because practicing regularly helps everything you're learning really stick. And once you make it a habit, words and grammar will start to flow more easily without you having to cram or stress out about it. It's like building momentum. Each day you're adding a little bit more to what you already know, and over time, it all comes together. So set aside those few minutes every day, and before you know it, you'll be making real progress without feeling overwhelmed. That being said, let's get into some effective resources that can really help you learn Spanish on your own. And so two of the best tools out there are Pimsleur and Babbel, each offering a unique approach that makes learning easier and more engaging. Starting with Pimsleur, which was created by Dr. Paul Pimsleur nearly 50 years ago, is a popular language learning tool designed for practical speaking and listening skills, and is perfect for those who want to jump right into real-life conversations right from the start. The Pimsleur method is entirely audio-based, making it easy to learn while commuting, exercising, or doing daily tasks. Each lesson lasts about 30 minutes and is structured around repetition and active recall, so as you practice, you'll remember key phrases naturally without getting bogged down by grammar rules or vocabulary lists. Now, the premium version adds interactive tools like digital flashcards, quick quizzes, and an AI-powered pronunciation coach to enhance learning. This combination offers a hands-free yet effective way to build a foundation in Spanish or other languages, making it especially helpful for those who want to gain confidence in speaking quickly and naturally, focusing on everyday useful conversations. Then there's Babbel, which was launched in 2007, offering courses in 13 languages, designed by native speakers and language experts. It focuses on practical, everyday language that's useful in real conversations, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate learners. Babbel's short, interactive lessons are about 10 to 15 minutes each and are also easy to use in both phones and computers, so it's simple to fit learning into a busy schedule. On top of that, Babbel's spaced repetition system stands out as it prompts you to review words and phrases just before you're about to forget them, ensuring you remember them in the long run. And for added support, Babbel Live offers live classes with certified instructors, which is perfect for building conversational skills with real-time feedback. And what's great about these two resources is that they actually complement each other. Pimsleur gives you that hands-free conversational practice, while Babbel helps you really get into the structure and grammar of Spanish. So using both platforms can give you a more complete experience and help you progress faster. And again, if at any point you decide to give Pimsleur or Babbel a try, you can check out the affiliate links in the description down below, It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get by going directly to their websites. Now, another tip to help you learn Spanish quicker is by listening to Spanish podcasts, TV shows, or movies with English subtitles, or finding some great Spanish music to use Spanish in a fun and natural way. These all help you get used to how Spanish sounds in real conversations while naturally picking up vocabulary and phrases. And once you're ready to try real conversations, language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem are great options. These apps connect you with native Spanish speakers who might be learning English, so you can practice with each other. It's an easygoing way to build confidence and get comfortable speaking. And by combining these strategies with tools like Pimsleur and Babbel, it can even be more effective. So to wrap things up, learning Spanish on your own is totally possible, and it can be a fun and rewarding journey. Just remember to set realistic goals, build a small daily routine, and use resources that make learning easier and enjoyable like Pimsleur and Babbel. Pimsleur's audio-based hands-free approach can be perfect for picking up conversational skills, while Babbel gives you a well-rounded foundation with reading, writing, and grammar exercises. Or you can use both tools together, Pimsleur for hands-free conversation practice, and Babbel for building grammar and vocabulary. Anyway, that's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And again, if at any point you decide to give either Pimsleur or Babbel a try, you can check out the affiliate links in the description down below. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get by going directly to their websites. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.